My first language is Bhojpuri.
कहो कहालबा।
Second is Hindi.
आज घूमने चलोगे?
And third is English.
I like you.
If you want to know that how I learned English naturally, no complicated grammar, no costly courses, and how to learn English with professional accent, then you must see this. Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and welcome to my channel, The Develop Mind. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I learned English naturally like a native speaker. No complicated grammar, no costly courses, just a few simple steps you can start today. If you follow these steps, you will speak much better in a few weeks. So let's start. First point, listen a lot. Spend at least 30 minutes a day by listening to real English. Watch YouTube videos or podcasts with English subtitle. Don't just watch, copy the way they speak. This trains your ear and improves your pronunciation automatically. Second point, stop learning single word. Learn full phrases instead. For example, don't just learn happy, learn this. I'm so happy today.
I am so happy today.
That makes me really happy.
That makes me really happy.
Phrases help you to speak naturally without thinking too much. Third point is speak every day. Many people understand English but can't speak because they never practice. Talk to yourself every day. Describe your routine. I woke up, brushed my teeth, drank coffee. Record your voice and listen. You will improve very fast. Fourth point, my favorite method, shadowing. Take a short 1-minute video of a native speaker. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat exactly like them. Speed, emotion, pronunciation. Do this 10-15 minutes daily. This is how I made my English sound naturally. Fifth and final point, never fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speaker. The more you speak, the fewer mistakes you will make. So don't worry about the mistakes. You just need to keep trying again and again. So remember these 5 simple points. Listen every day. Learn phrases. Speak every day. Do shadowing. And never fear of mistakes. This is how I learned English naturally. Start these steps from today. In 30 days, you will see a big difference. Drop your comment and tell me which point you will try first. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. I know that you can do it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.